Got nothing on that plate.
The fuck is it?
Oh no, that's what I'm looking for. What the fuck is it? I wonder how many people, kids come sit back here and smoke weed.
Holy
Man, I want to know what motor this is.
It's a lecture hall.
What the fuck is it? G-Unit!
Too much graffiti.
G-Unit!
Sucks.
Can't do that.
Oh, it's old. We need code. Fuck, the thing's big. Holy shit. Look at those cylinders.
If I've ever seen one.
Wow. That's brutal.
This is what we need under a lift kit on a dog.
Yeah.
There's your fuel.
There's your fuel tank.
That'll last you about 3 hours.
How? Yeah.
Check out the suspension on this piece.
Some faggot Cody likes nuts.
Ooh, it's Cummins.
Really?
Cummins, made in Great Britain. It's a V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. V16 Cummins.
It's always good.
Oh,
What a raindrop.
Jesus Christ.
It's going.
I'm just showing.
Yeah, they built a huge plate over the steps.
They had to.
Yeah.
Electra Hall. Pretty cool. G-Unit. Says G-Unit.